उसे फक्र है कि वो एक सैनिक की पुत्री है और पिता को भी अपनी बेटी पर फक्र है कि बेटियां कहीं किसी से कम नहीं हैं। तो उस पिता की पुत्री को मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ, ब्रिजेश शुक्ला जी की पुत्री को, जो आज के दिन के लिए अपने जेहन में संजोए कुछ बातों को यहाँ पर रखेगी मुख्य मंच के द्वारा। तो मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ, मुख्य मंच पर बुला रही हूँ खुशी शुक्ला,
टीम के सदस्य।
इससे बाप रे हम कैसे हैं।
हाँ आ गया
डॉक्टर संदीप मेहता फिजियोथेरेपी।
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे। कौन कहता है बेटे विदा नहीं होते? कौन कहता है बेटे विदा नहीं होते? जब बेटे विदा होते हैं तो भारत माँ के आंचल को लाल कर जाते हैं। A very warm good afternoon to all the honorable chief guests and each and every member present here. As we know, we have gathered here in the football tournament organized in the commemoration of General Bipin Rawat sir and all the martyrs. Before I begin, I want to ask, who is a martyr? Actually, who is a martyr? A martyr is a man of immense valor and courage who voluntarily and deftly sacrificed its life on his motherland. He, along with each member of his family, are idol of gigantic sacrifice. And that courage and valor resides in all our soldiers. A soldier never thinks even once before devoting each drop of his blood in the service of his mother country. So we say, once a soldier, always a soldier. And let me highlight that it is not us, but our motherland that chooses her brave lads to shield in service of herself, because not everybody possesses such virtue. No other person than a soldier can be so keenly devoted and set an example of enormous renunciation. They are fighters who will never give up. They will stumble and fall, but will avenge back. It might take longer at times, but will stand back up and keep fighting till the last drop of our blood sheds our body. I hereby would like to quote Captain Vikram Batra. Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I'll come back wrapped in it. But I will be back for sure. I will be back for sure. A soldier never dies. Either he excels or becomes eternal. A soldier always persists in the heart of his countrymen. Now, I would like to say few words about General Bipin Rawat sir. Or I would actually quote his words itself. पहली गोली हमारी नहीं होगी, लेकिन उसके बाद हम गोलियों की गिनती नहीं करेंगे. This itself clearly indicates that how passionate and ebullient he was. Sir, we salute your fervor and ardency. Sir, you were an ideal and you will always be our ideal. Be an ideal of your soldiers as well as your countrymen. At last but not least, I remember one of Mahatma Gandhi's quote that perfectly captures how the armed forces regard acts of courage. Fearlessness is the first requisite of spirituality. Cowards can never be moral. Cowards can never be moral. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Khushi.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
खाली है
चल जलधि तरंगा
खाली है
तव शुभ नामे जागे
आराम से आओ वीडियो करवा आराम से तो दिल जी कैसा है पैर